We start off with education matters, where a group of well-wishers based in Mombasa have awarded scholarships worth over 1 million shillings to needy and bright students from the community in an effort to promote access to education and curb school dropouts. At the same time, a vulnerable family in Bomachoge Borabu Constituency is appealing for urgent support to help a bright grade 10 student to join secondary school after failing to raise the required school fees.
61 students are the latest beneficiaries of the Luo Professionals Welfare Association Scholarship Program, receiving a total of 1.18 million shillings to support their education. According to the association's chairman, Pius Okech, the group brings together Luo professionals living in Mombasa and the wider coast region, adding that the initiative was born out of concern that many bright but needy students were dropping out of school due to lack of fees.
It is an equalizer. It is an equalizer. Because we realize a number of our children here were suffering in silence.
Kenya's representative to the East African Legislative Assembly, Suleiman Shabal, donated 200,000 shillings to the scholarship and further urged other professional groups to emulate the initiative, saying education remains the greatest form of wealth.
You know, you give nothing when you give of your possessions. It is when you give of yourself that you truly give. It is the county's responsibility to ensure every student, whether you can afford or you cannot afford, should go to school. Nobody should be sent home because of fees.
Meanwhile, in Nyamasogota village, Bomachoge Borabu Constituency, a 14-year-old Caleb Griffin Siriba is at a risk of missing out on secondary education, despite performing well in his studies.
Nilikuwa nikisomea na changamoto mingi katika shule ya Magina, na nimefika hadi nimefanya grade ya 9, nimefaulu na pointi 55. Sasa nawaomba yote mwenye akona roho njema aweze kunisaidia nimalize na masomo yangu.
Caleb's mother, Eunice Osebe, says the family exhausted its savings and sold household belongings to meet medical bills for her late husband, Siriba Agachi, who later succumbed to illness, leaving behind huge debts.
Papa yao ndiye alikuwa na tunategemea papa yao, lakini alikufa. Sasa hivi hatuna kitu chochote. Sasa amefanya mtihani wa 9. Tena amepita, ameitwa shule ya Nyambari, lakini sina kitu ya kumpeleka Nyambari. Naomba mnisaidie aende hapo shule Nyambari asome.
The reporting grace period ended on Friday, but the family has been unable to raise the school fees needed for him to report. For Lunchtime News, I am Teresa Mutai.